I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, buckle up, because what I'm about to show you today is something that'll make every car lover, traveler, and motorhome enthusiast lose their mind. Ferrari, yes, Ferrari, the name that's been synonymous with speed, luxury, and jaw-dropping Italian design, just entered the motorhome world. And not in a small way. I'm talking about a full-blown, ultra-luxurious, road-dominating, futuristic masterpiece that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is the 2026 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome, and it's redefining what home on wheels even means. Now I know what you're thinking, Ferrari and motorhome. Those two words don't even belong in the same sentence. But trust me, once you see what Ferrari's done here, it'll make perfect sense. So, sit back, relax, and let's take a full 360 degrees journey around this incredible creation, from its mind-blowing design, to the hybrid engine that roars like a supercar, to the interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than an RV. We'll talk performance, comfort, pricing, and even how it stacks up against Ferrari's past experiments and other luxury motorhomes in the world. Alright, let's roll. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 Ferrari motorhome, you immediately realize this isn't just a boxy luxury RV. No, this is a supercar stretched to motorhome proportions. Ferrari didn't just design this thing, they sculpted it. Every curve, every vent, every aerodynamic line feels like it's born from the same DNA as a LaFerrari or an SF90 Stradale. It's bold, aggressive, and yet somehow graceful. The front fascia alone, it's like looking into the eyes of a beast that's waiting to pounce. It's got that iconic Ferrari stance, low, wide, purposeful, but scaled up into a rolling palace. The headlights are razor-sharp, almost like a futuristic visor, and the massive panoramic windshield curves around in one seamless sweep, giving you that cockpit feel even when you're just parked. Then, you look at the sides, smooth, sculpted panels, hidden door seams, and that unmistakable Prancing Horse logo gleaming under the showroom lights. It's not just for show. Ferrari engineers say every design element serves an aerodynamic purpose, helping to reduce drag even at high cruising speeds. And let's talk about those wheels for a second. Massive, custom Pirelli tires on performance-grade rims, with active suspension that adjusts automatically depending on road conditions. Whether you're cruising down the French Riviera or climbing a mountain pass in Switzerland, this thing stays planted, balanced, and utterly commanding. Now, one of the most jaw-dropping elements. Ferrari didn't just stick a big engine up front and call it a day. The motorhome's entire structure is built on a lightweight carbon aluminum chassis, derived from Ferrari's racing division. That means it's not just beautiful, it's engineered for performance. Even the roofline flows back into integrated vents and fins that help with cooling and stability. And yes, it comes with a deployable solar array that can recharge the onboard battery system when you're off-grid. It's a perfect blend of art, science, and pure adrenaline. Now let's talk power, because let's be honest, what's a Ferrari without power? Ferrari could have played it safe. They could have used a high-end diesel or an electric-only setup like some competitors. But no, this is Ferrari. And Ferrari doesn't do ordinary. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome packs a hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine, paired with a dual electric motor system, one on each rear axle. Together, they deliver a combined output of nearly 1,000 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right, 1,000 horsepower, in a motorhome. Let that sink in. This thing can go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, which is absolutely ridiculous for something this massive. But what's even more impressive is how it feels. You're not just sitting behind a steering wheel, you're piloting a land yacht that moves like a supercar. The hybrid system allows for 3 driving modes: electric only for silent city cruising, hybrid for long-distance efficiency, and performance mode when you just want to unleash the beast. And Ferrari has done something clever. They've tuned the exhaust system to give you that signature Ferrari growl, but not in an obnoxious way. It's deep, refined, and perfectly balanced for long drives. The range? Around 750 miles on a full hybrid cycle, thanks to its lightweight frame and regenerative energy system. And with Ferrari's new solid-state battery tech, you can charge up to 80% in under 25 minutes at a high-speed charging station. So yeah, this isn't just luxury, it's power with intelligence. Now, if the exterior and engine didn't already blow your mind, just wait until we step inside. Because the interior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is like stepping into a private jet crossed with a five-star hotel, all wrapped in Ferrari's signature craftsmanship. The moment those automatic bullwing-style doors open, you're greeted by ambient lighting, Italian leather, and carbon fiber accents that whisper luxury. Everything feels purposeful, there's not a single inch of wasted space. At the front, you have the cockpit, which looks like something out of a concept car. Two racing-inspired seats, finished in red and black Alcantara, with a massive panoramic display that stretches across the dash. It's fully digital, customizable, and uses Ferrari's next-gen infotainment system, complete with augmented reality navigation, voice assistant, and even AI route optimization. Then, as you step back into the living area, that's where it truly becomes surreal. You've got a full lounge space with modular furniture that transforms at the push of a button. One moment, it's a cozy sitting area. The next, it converts into a dining setup with a retractable table made from brushed aluminum and walnut veneer. The flooring, heated carbon composite with embedded LED guide lights that subtly illuminate at night. And of course, the sound system. Ferrari partnered with Bang & Olufsen for a fully immersive 3D audio setup that fills the entire cabin with crystal clarity. Now, the kitchen, it's compact but insanely functional. You've got a smart induction cooktop, a wine cooler, and even an espresso station, because, come on, this is an Italian motorhome after all. Moving further back, there's the master suite, a full-size luxury bedroom with a retractable privacy screen, a king-sized memory foam bed, and yes, windows that tint electronically with just a tap. Even the ceiling is customizable. You can set it to starlight mode for that Rolls-Royce-like celestial feel at night. And the bathroom, marble-style finishes, rainfall shower, touchless controls, and a built-in fragrance diffuser that keeps the space fresh. Every detail screams Ferrari, not just in design, but in experience. Of course, this being Ferrari, the tech inside the 2026 motorhome is absolutely next level. The onboard AI system, called Scuderia Assist, acts like your personal co-pilot. It learns your driving habits, adjusts suspension and power delivery in real time, and even suggests scenic routes based on your preferences. You can control almost everything with your voice: lighting, climate, entertainment, even window opacity. And for security, it comes with biometric access, a 360 degrees camera system, and motion sensors that alert you on your smartwatch if someone approaches the vehicle. But my favorite part, the retractable rooftop terrace. Yes, a rooftop terrace. With a touch of a button, part of the roof raises up and extends into a small outdoor lounge with two recliners and an automatic awning. It's perfect for sunrise coffee or sunset wine, and you get a panoramic view wherever you park. Now tell me that's not the most Ferrari thing ever. Here's the surprise twist: this thing isn't just for paved highways. Ferrari's engineers actually gave it serious off-road capability. It's equipped with adjustable air suspension, terrain-sensing traction control, and even a limited slip differential system adapted from Ferrari's F1 tech. So while you won't be rock-crawling in the Alps, you can take this beauty off-grid, to remote vineyards, private beaches, or quiet mountain retreats, and still feel completely at home. It's Ferrari performance meets freedom of adventure. Now, let's take a step back and put this in perspective. Ferrari's never made a full-size motorhome before. They've done concept luxury tours and custom builds for high-profile clients, but nothing this ambitious, nothing that blends road-going performance with full residential comfort. Compared to traditional high-end motorhomes, think Boltner Mobile, Marquis Element, or the Aston Martin Signature Series, the Ferrari simply feels alive. It's not just a luxury RV, it's an experience. While others focus on extravagance, Ferrari focuses on emotion. That feeling of driving something powerful, precise, and beautiful, now extended into a vehicle that's not just for weekends but for entire journeys. And the crazy part, even though it's built for luxury travel, Ferrari says it still holds true to the brand's core values: performance, innovation, and passion. Now, the big question: how much is this masterpiece going to cost? Well, brace yourself. Ferrari hasn't given an official price yet, but insiders estimate it'll start at around $3.5 million USD, with customization options that could easily push it past $5 million. But honestly, for the kind of engineering, performance, and craftsmanship you're getting, that price tag makes sense. This isn't just transportation, it's art you can live in. And Ferrari plans to produce it in extremely limited numbers, just 299 units worldwide. Each one will be hand-built in Maranello, and owners will get access to a dedicated concierge team to customize everything from paint finishes to cabin layouts. That means every 2026 Ferrari motorhome will be unique, a one-of-one masterpiece on wheels. So, what does all this mean? It means Ferrari's not just redefining the supercar, they're redefining mobility itself. They're saying, luxury doesn't have to be confined to a garage. You can have performance, comfort, and adventure all in one package. For decades, the Ferrari badge represented speed and passion on the racetrack. Now, it represents freedom, the freedom to explore the world without giving up an ounce of luxury or identity. And honestly, I think that's beautiful. Because as the automotive world shifts toward electric and hybrid travel, Ferrari's proving that innovation doesn't have to mean compromise. It can mean evolution. So yeah, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome isn't just another vehicle, it's a statement. A declaration that the future of travel can be bold, breathtaking, and unmistakably Ferrari. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.